Hey everyone, this is class number 1, Active Directory Basics on the TryHackMe room. So this room will introduce the basic concepts and functionality provided by Active Directory. So just going right into task number 1 of the introduction. Microsoft's Active Directory is the backbone of the corporate world. It simplifies the management of devices and users within a corporate environment. In this room, we will take a deep dive into the essential components of Active Directory. So the objectives, we will learn about Active Directory and become familiar with the following topics. What Active Directory is, also called AD, what an Active Directory domain is, what components go into an Active Directory domain, forest and domain trust, and much more. So they just asked that the prerequisite, the Windows Fundamentals module. It's actually, I believe, an information room. I completed it some time ago. Yeah, so I completed it some time ago, and I believe it is just information rooms, but I'll leave a link below, and there's nothing more, so we'll just hit completed, and that will be it. So again, I don't think you have any questions in this task, but below as we go, we can see task number 2 is Windows domains, Windows 3 is Active Directory itself, task 4 is managing users in AD, task 5 is managing computers, task 6 is group policies, 7 authentication methods, 8 is trees, forests, and trusts, and 9 is a conclusion. So after this room is done, my plan is to spin up a VM, maybe using VMware, and just building a test environment, and then we can apply all the stuff here, just kind of like a great little tutorial, little teaching tool. And then, once we build that, we can start looking to what the things we could do, like GPOs, and then beyond that, we could start attacking it. We'd start we would maybe spin up a like a Kali Linux lab or something like that using a Linux distribution, and then we would start attacking it and seeing how we can do things like Kerber roasting and stuff like that. So that's kind of like the overarching plan here. So I hope you stick around. I'm going to try to keep this going. I get very busy with my day jobs sometimes, and I just can't do these tutorials like I want to do them. But I'm going to try to get better at doing these at least once a day again, like I was doing before. So again, thank you everyone for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the future lessons. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.